Hi, I'm Lou. Welcome to my shop. I want to show you this sander. It's a Pro 5 LTD, and it has a smaller sanding circle than the RO sander does, the 6-inch. And I bought this a year ago. It came out, I think, in November. They started advertising it. And evidently it was pretty successful because it took me until February, the end of February, until I received it. This year, they came out with an accessory on to make it an edge sander where you can sand the edge of boards. May not sound too spectacular, and I wondered about it, so I did end up ordering it. And let me show it to you. This is it. Comes in this nice plastic, I'm used to Festool. Comes in this nice cardboard box instead of a plastic container like everything else does. And the number on it's 205-316. What you get inside, first of all, is an Allen wrench, 2 socket screws, one side, then the main body of the machine, and another side plate. Not side plate, but sliding plate is what I meant to say. The first thing you have to do is take off your sanding guard if you have it on. And you can attach this to the sander. It fits in this little groove. There's a little groove that goes around the base of the sander above the silver band there. Fits on like that. This side goes on. So that's it attached to the sander. As far as adjustments go, this is 90 degrees, that's 45, and it's marked right here on the side. 45, 60, 75, and 90 degrees. The first thing you have to do is set this to 90 degrees, so you need a way to check that and set it up. Just set that right at 90 degrees, and you can then lock the handle in. The knob back here on the back will adjust that. So that's it. It's set for 90 degrees. You just use it this way. Now, they have 2 pads that come with this. One's a soft pad and one's just a hard finish pad. These pads are, if you have a finished surface and you don't want this plastic to ride on it, maybe scratch it or something, you can use this soft pad. You press this green button to pull it back. There's a second button down inside here, and that pulls and snaps out. Then you can put this on. And I am using the hard one, even though this is a finished melamine top here. It is for the shop. So there I have the 90 degree on, or I have the hard surface on, set at 90 degrees, so we can ride it right here. Now there's also another knob on here. It says hard setting, and there's a soft setting. When you put it on the soft setting, there's a little bit of give in this. So if you have an irregular surface, it will flex a little bit. But if you want to cut it and make it flat, flip it over on the hard setting, and it's very rigid to follow the curve. So let's get this fired up and see what it will do. I have 120 paper on here. I also mark on the face of the paper so I know what's been on there, because after it's used a while, it's hard to tell the difference between them. The other thing that would help would be some electricity.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you have a comment or a question, please leave it below. And ring that bell and subscribe. I sure appreciate it. Thank you.